Today I'm preparing coleslaw. So I have a big cabbage here, white cabbage, and I'm going to use like 1/3. Yeah, that's the idea. Oh, I just realized I need a peeler for the carrot. Okay, where is it? Oh. So I'm trying to move it here, something like that, and maybe here. Let's go here. Because I'm not going to use the whole cabbage for this recipe, so I'm struggling. So this is small. I think it's easier to use food processor for this. It's super fast, but I don't know why I'm not doing that. Just realized that maybe it's not enough of cabbage, but we'll see. Wow, it's crunchy, it's like chips. I mean, the flavor is different, but or I'm super hungry, I guess. And that's the reason. Okay, now it's time for the carrot. And I'm using the bigger holes and do it like that. Of course, you can use food processor to speed up the process, and it's advisable. But I'm doing that one the hard way. Wow, it's super. I guess I'm super hungry. So this is the result of cutting. The reminder, the ratio between carrot and the cabbage is like not satisfactory to me. It's the carrot slump. So So I think I'm going to use another part of the cabbage like this. So it looks like I use half the cabbage. Okay, and I think I'm going to use like, oh, I just step on the cabbage. Ah, this is the reality of cooking. So I'm going to use, I think, 6. Whoa, that's like 2 tablespoons, right? So 3, 4, 5. That's a lot. 6. Let's come back to the fridge. And 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, like this. And what else? So, oh, that's like a lot. Salt, black pepper, and half of lemon juice. Just removing the seeds. I mean, some people use sugar, but this is the version I'm preparing. So adding this dressing to the main bowl, doing something like this. Just a good mix. Just let me taste this one after, oh, one more time. After I think it's good, but cook for yourself. So thank you for watching and happy cooking.